Welcome to Ultimate PC Performance Boost, proven tips and tricks. Are you tired of your sluggish computer? Ready to give it a turbo boost? We've got you covered with these simple yet effective tips. So, let's get started. Our first tip is straightforward but crucial. Keep your PC clean. Dust and dirt can accumulate inside, causing your fans to clog and your system to overheat. Regular cleaning with compressed air can maintain optimal performance and keep your computer running smoothly. Moving on to our second tip, uninstall unnecessary programs. A crowded computer can slow down your PC's performance significantly. By navigating to the control panel and clicking on Uninstall a program, you can remove any software you no longer use, giving your PC a bit more breathing room. Our third tip involves disabling startup programs. Some applications automatically launch when you start your PC, causing unnecessary delays. By opening the Task Manager and going to the Startup tab, you can disable any non-essential programs, speeding up your startup process. Tip number 4 is all about updating your drivers. Outdated drivers can hinder your PC's performance. So, regularly check the manufacturer's website for the most recent driver updates and install them for improved stability and speed. Our fifth tip is to clean up your hard drive. Removing temporary files and performing regular disk cleanups can free up space and help your PC run faster and smoother. Tip number 6 is for those who are ready for a hardware upgrade. If your PC feels sluggish, adding more RAM can significantly boost its performance. Check your system specifications and consider upgrading for a speedier experience. Our final tip is to upgrade your HDD to an SSD. SSDs can significantly reduce your computer's boot-up time and launch applications in a blink of an eye. Not only that, but SSDs are also more reliable and power-efficient. And there you have it, the ultimate PC performance boost tips and tricks. By following these simple steps, you'll see a noticeable improvement in your computer's speed and overall efficiency. Say goodbye to frustration and hello to a more productive computing experience. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tricks. Thanks for watching and happy computing!